Hey guys, I'm Chelsea for those of you who are new to my channel, and today I'm going to create this half cut crease look using liquid shadows. I recently created a similar look on my Instagram with purple and gold, and a lot of people said they wanted me to create a tutorial for it, so here it is. If you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. So I've already done my face and my eyebrows and my eyelids are set, so I'm going to go in with eyeshadow, and today I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. And the first one I'm going to go in with is Room Service. It's this orangey color. And I'm just going to go in, place some of this in my outer V. And I'm going to blend this into my crease as well. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush. Just lightly blending it in and up. Also going in with a smaller brush, this is my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH30, and blending out the top. Going in with a little bit more, doing the same thing, now using the smaller brush. And keep on doing this until you get it as dark as you want to, or as bright as you want to. And going in with Bamboo Hoops, this metallic side, I'm gonna go in and cut my crease. I'll zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see. And just blending it in. Now I'm going to go back in with some of that Room Service, and I'm going to take it on my little Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH39 brush. Just taking a little bit and running that along my bottom lash line. So next I'm going to be going in with some eyeliner, and I'm going to be using Sistar Cosmetics Eye Contour Precision Liquid Liner. And I'm just going to be drawing a line right on my lash line and no wing. This is just giving a place to put my lashes. So now for lashes, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's by Olivia number 18 lashes. Alright, so first lash. And it fit right on that line that I just created for it. Now I'm just going to take a spoolie and run that through my lashes to blend them with the false ones. And then mascara. I'll be going in with Buxom's Big Tease mascara. Now quickly going in with my bronzer, I'm going to go in with Benefit's Hoola. It's kind of almost done, so I need to replace it, but it'll do for now. just going to pinch this and go down the sides of my nose. I'm not going to do a full-on contour. I've been into doing a super light one these days. And then for blush, going in with my Morphe Blush Trio in Pop of Coral. I'm going to go in with Boss. And this is on my Sigma Duo Fiber Powder Blush Brush, the F15. And then for my highlight, going in with Huda Beauty's 3D highlighter palette, and this is the Golden Sands edition. And I'm going in with Seychelles. I'm gonna go with Seychelles. I'm terrible at pronouncing things, so pardon my mistake. I'm going in with this sort of fluffy brush. So many cat hairs are flying. This is a Morphe Rose Gold brush. I'm just gonna pick up some of that. So my camera just died, unfortunately, but I just finished putting on my highlight on my nose, Cupid's bow, inner corner, and brow bone. The last thing I gotta do is put on some lips, and I'm gonna be going in with Buxom's Serial Kisser, and this is in the shade Smooch. They're kind of cool because they're lip stains. And this lip dries down, but it still stays shiny, so they're pretty good. All right, and this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, leave any questions or thoughts on this look below in the comments and I will get back to you. Have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I hope to see you in my next video.